Bree the snack queen reporting for duty.
K9.
He doesn't say much, but he means business.
Always.
You ready? Snacks and strategy. Can't lose.
Let's get it.
What? Get up! This is a code brown as in chocolate. I'm out.
Bree, it's 2 in the morning.
And my mouth is 2% happy. Come on, hero. Gas station run.
You owe me a lifetime of sleep for this.
I'll throw in a pack of gummy worms. Maybe.
That's not even an incentive.
It worked though.
Stay in the car, snack queen.
Oh yeah.
All right, the scar. You want to know?
Obviously.
A couple years back, I got jumped in an alley.
Jumped by who?
6 guys, all twice my size.
Wait, 6? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6?
Yup. They had bats, chains, the works.
And you thought that was a good idea?
Okay, I'm done. I'm dead. Call the snack ambulance.
Bree, it's been 11 seconds. Felt like a lifetime. You said you wanted to get healthy. That means consistency, discipline, no.
You see this batter? Silky. Chef Bree in the building.
Silky, like the mess on the counter. You sure you measured anything?
Relax, Mr. Protein Shake. Greatness can't be measured.
I'm just here so you don't burn the house down.
A little faith, K9. Watch and learn. That's good. Try it.
Ready, big guy? You look like you're about to fight the whole menu.
I'm calm, totally calm.
Sure.
Great. Evening, gorgeous. You decide on an entree yet, or should I pick my favorite for
Oh,
you?
wow. Bold. Let me look, Romeo. Still glad you came?
Yeah, don't tell no.
You know I'm always joking, but I'm serious right now. I want to build something with you, Kay. Like, a legacy. Us.
You saying that with a bag of chips in your hand?
It's empty now.
You already built it, Bree. I'm here.
Yeah?
Yeah.